Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, the van guy, bringing you some vans again today. But I want to point out to you that these are probably the last vans we're going to get on this product for the entire year. Come on inside, let me show you. 2020 Coachmen Beyond, model 22C. What's C stand for? It's got a couch in the back. Come on, I'll show you. So the couch now is in the down position. You've got twin beds, and all you have to do is slide these cushions out with a board, and you've got a queen size bed. So we're going to put this couch back up with a touch of a button. Thankfully, they installed 3 seat belts back here, so you can go out with another couple, some friends, family, and take them along with you, and they're seated in comfortably. I've got the indirect lighting turned on in here. Here's your entertainment center, CD player, and all that nice musical stuff. Right above the TV set is your entertainment center with your DVD player. And again, I got the blue mood lights on in here, which looks really nice. Control panel for your lights are here in the back. You have a 110 outlet, and the TV does snap out and swing around. You've got cup holders down here. You've got bug screen here, privacy curtain. This one just has a privacy curtain in the kitchen area. And as you can see, there is a lot of storage up above. So you have USB ports here. You have 12 volts. You have 110 on the end of the galley. Now this is real important. All the Coachmen products, all the Beyonds, have a wastebasket drawer. You could probably even put 2 in there if you wanted to, but it's a nice space, and they do have positive latches. Scrubbers go there. And of course, the ends are all dovetailed, all hardwood. Solid surface countertops. Recessed 2-burner propane. You got your sink. Got a little cubby here that you can use to fold clothes, or you can take the shelves out and use it for hanging space. Up above, got a microwave, not big enough to put a convection. And then you have your refrigerator and freezer on the bottom. Gonna move into the bathroom area. Of course, this is where you take a shower. You'll notice that the only seam is just right around the sink. Everything else is seamless. And for you, that's important because less maintenance. Absolutely correct. Shower head's right here. It just goes right down below. Turns into your faucet. Got a cover here for the toilet paper, so you can try not to get it wet. This door does swing open, so when you put it together, you've got a little elbow room, and then it folds away to make it so we have enough room aisle-wise. Place down here to put maps or papers, etc. If you want to take a look up here, here's your generator start switch. It's got 25 hours on this unit. Awning extension, awning power. Light for the awning, hot water pump, and battery disconnect switch. Solar controls are here. Truma Combi. So what that does for you is it heats the water and also provides heat for the unit. Just above the cabin up front for the passenger and driver, you've got a nice little storage area here. You take a look up front, there's gobs of cup holders around here. It's an EcoBoost rear wheel drive, 1 ton with dualies on the back. This has got hush mat in it. It's very quiet as it goes down the wall. It's got marine grade vinyl throughout. See, this is all marine grade vinyl. So if it'll work on a boat outside, it should last on the inside of a van, right? Nice screen door. Grab assist handle, so hopefully you won't grab the screen door when you're going in and out. Here's your exhaust on the Truma. Now this is not real hot, so you don't have to worry about somebody getting burned, which is, the other ones are really hot. So that's a good feature for there. 110 outlet. You got a little receiver hitch down here and wiring, so if you wanted to pull a very lightweight trailer or put a bike rack in here, you can put your bikes on it. Backup camera, right up here. You've got two nice little storage areas. There's all the seat belts fastened in. Here's your water tank, inside protected. They got a jack, sewer hose. This is your outdoor washer. And you've got night lights. Now that turns on white or blue for reading at night. Bug screen on the back. And they're all EcoBoost. There's your generator exhaust pipe. There's your dump station. There's where you fill the propane up. City water. This is the water you fill for the tank that goes inside. Black water flush to help try to keep all the stuff off your contacts so they work. And then cable hookup here. This is for the shower hook. Oh, this is 110 right here. There you go. This one is for your spray port. Sewer outlets down below. Takes regular gasoline. Now, I know you must have a question or two, and who would you call but the van guy? You can reach me direct at 541-554-9581. Shoot over to my Facebook page, The Van Guy. Shoot me an email. I'd love to talk to you. Appreciate your time.